Send me your location, let's focus on communication, cause I just need the time and place to compose.
Welcome back to my channel. I have another awesome bob tutorial for you guys, and this one is affordable. This unit is from RPGHair. This is just a little bag with some goodies that came with my unit: bobby pins, wig cap, the standard items, a rat tail comb, and also crocodile clips and elastic band, which is awesome. We are gonna get into how I slayed this unit. So this is their tight curly bob unit, and this is in length 14 and a density of 180. The hair looks really good out of the packaging. I did decide to wash it, and I'll show that in a moment, but it really wasn't necessary because the hair is going to look the same. It has 2 combs on the side, one in the middle, and also one at the bottom, and as you notice, it does have a longer comb, which is awesome. Let's take a look at this hairline. It looks very natural. It is pre-plucked. There are a small amount of baby hair, but you can cut it some more. It's not really too much. They don't have it pronounced, which is a good thing because most people don't care for baby hair. This is a lace front construction, so there's ear to ear parting and some in the middle, but there isn't any parting space in the back. And before we get to washing, this unit is asymmetrical, which is pretty cool. So now for washing. I told you guys you don't have to do this, but this is what I did, and I want to show the whole process. So I applied Care cleansing cream to the hair, and I didn't realize I wasn't even in the frame when I put it on, but I put that on the hair, and I just used my fingers to detangle the curls, further detangled with my detangling brush, and this is the Felicia Leatherwood brush. After completing this process, I merely rinsed the conditioner out, and then I proceeded to release the hair of any excess water by gripping the hair with my hands and squeezing out all the water that I could. So this is what the hairline is looking like. It kind of looks like the knots have already been bleached. I'm not 100% sure, but it does look like that to some level. Now that I finished washing the hair, I'm going to allow for it to air dry overnight. This is what the hair looked like once it was all dry. To me, it looked the same. I decided to spray on some leave-in conditioner, and this is from Eden Body Works Almond and Marshmallow line. I love that leave-in conditioner, so I'm just spraying that on the hair to add more sheen. I'm also following it up with my paddle brush in order to help the curls to clump together a little more.
Like a real love, but it goes so fast, all tied up.
Alright, so now it's time to install this beauty. I'm not going to do the official stocking cap method, although I do have a stocking cap on. The hair looks wonderful right now. I'm just going to place it over to make sure that everything's aligned. I felt like my stocking cap might be a tad bit too light, so I'm going to add some foundation to my stocking cap just to make sure that it looks more natural. I also decided to add it to the lace. Although it looked like they did bleach the knot some, I can still see a little bit of the black, and I wanted that to kind of be muted. So I applied a foundation shade that's maybe 1 or 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. I feel like it looks so much better after doing this. Then I proceeded to cut the lace, the excess lace in the front, and I'm just going around the entire front hairline, ensuring that I've cut all the lace. At this point of the installation process, I was super hyped. This hair looks so good. Now it's time to lay the front of the unit down. So I'm going to use the Got2b glue gel in the black bottle to do so. So I'm going to start by pulling the wig back so that I can add the gel on my front hairline. There is a 30% off sale going on currently on the RPGHair page until August 10th, so you want to be sure to check it out. So I've allowed you guys to watch a good amount of the process. I currently have an elastic band tied around the front just to set it, and I've also sprayed some more of the leave-in conditioner. After about 10 minutes, the elastic band was ready to be removed, and I am in love with how it turned out.
Some might think it.
Hey y'all, so this wig is giving me Rihanna Wild Thoughts vibe. It is so gorgeous. I love the wet curly look. Looks like I just got out of the pool or something. It's really effortless, and I told you guys I'm gonna be doing lots of bobs this summer, showing you guys a variation of different ways that you can rock a bob, and this curly unit right here has gotten my life all the way together. I am such a fan of this. And guys, the best part is fly as all get out, but the price, y'all. I couldn't even get over how cheap this unit is. It's affordable, but it's a really, really well-constructed unit. Now, you don't get much parting space with this unit. It's probably about 3 inches of parting space, and you have maybe 2 inches on this side. Very little parting space. But for this price, and for this shape and how good it looks, I mean, you're not going to be doing a whole lot of parting and styling with this one, but the style is already amazing. So I don't need any more parting space. I feel like it looks good. And then the hairline and everything, it's already pre-plucked. I can't even ask for more. It's just beautiful. Now, what I discovered with this particular unit is that after washing, it actually looked the same way it did right out of the packaging. The curls actually were a little looser, and I had to spray some I didn't have to, but I chose to spray some leave-in conditioner, which gives it a more natural sheen and doesn't cause the hair to look just standard right out of the pack. So if you get this hair, don't feel the need to rush to wash it. I mean, you should wash your units in general just so they're fresh and everything like that. But for this one, you don't have to wash it so that the curls look better. The curls already look great right out of the package, and they're going to look the same way after you wash it. So you could just spray on a leave-in conditioner of choice. I selected this Almond Marshmallow Therapy leave-in conditioner by Eating Body Works, and I love how the unit turned out after spraying that on the hair. So just a quick tip. You don't have to wash it, so that's good. The density for this unit is 180. 180 looks great, and it looks really natural. This looks like it could be my hair if I had that good stuff. Okay, my hair is good, but whatever. All right, so this is 180 density. The length of this unit is in length 14. Now, you're gonna notice if you decide to wash the hair that the curls are now elongated, and there are some strands of hair that are going to be loose and they're not flowing with the cut. So you may have to go in and cut some of the strands, which is what I did. Not too much. They're just some straggly ends in the back, and I don't even think I got them all because I put the unit on too soon without just going ahead and cutting while it was on my mannequin head. So do that while it's on your mannequin head before you put it on. Cut the little straggly ends. They're not going to shrink and work with the look, but it still looks great. And all the details for the hair, be sure to check it out. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.